Isintu sithi indoda nendoda iyophiliswa iphinde futhi ibulawe yingqumo zayo. Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to BK Sports. Igama lami uBonginkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila. Danko thiwa onodlebe uzwile. In today's video we'll talk about two players. It's Ronaldo Lina and Usede Junior Dion. Kodwa ke niyalazi udaba nani ukuthi ngaphambi kokuthi sekude bengicela ningisize ngento yodwa by liking on the video and subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Kodwa ke maso subscribeile danko kaningi ungakhohlwa ke ukulike yiko nje okubalulekile okwamanje. Yeah, I think sizoba nenkinga la. Kodwa inkinga emnandi because into enhle iphinde ibe yimbi at the same time. That's why abelungu bathi I have nice life problems. Kaizer Chiefs right now, as it was reported ukuthi they are leading the race to signing Ronaldo Lina as their next goalkeeper at Chiefs. So that simply means good obvious we are all excited about this signing. Mainly because we know he is a good goalkeeper, even though he has flops here and there, but into engalungiseka le. And we know very well ukuthi bringing him at Chiefs might bring that competitiveness. I'm not saying there was not competitiveness before, but a goalkeeper that has been in the Bafana camp before. And we know his quality. And right now he's going to compete with Brennan Peterson, Bruce Vom, Fia Krenchwar. If it happens, they don't sell him. But in Temnandi la ukuthi, as much as we are excited about this signing, there's something that we should be concerned about also. Will he get game time? Because that is important. And I know very well ukuthi njoba ngishilo eqaleni ukuthi indoda nendoda iyophiliswa iphinde ibulawe inqumo zayo. I was referring to ukuthi it seems like Kaizer Chiefs now are burning the bridges between them and Isikhukhu United because uJohn Malade ukwate kabi lapha uganu nabo because it seemed like ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs went behind the backs of Isikhukhu United to sign Ulina if it gets confirmed. But it looks like it is. That how come that they didn't come directly to the club, but they went to the player? And it's like they convinced the player before the contract comes to an end. Meaning that they said the things that they needed to be said so that he gets convinced. And I, for one, I understand when a player is being pursued by a team, come join us. There are perks that they give. This is what you'll get at Chiefs. For example, we are talking about the salary, the wages. We are talking about the bonuses. And there's a game time that is also involved. When they are drafting this contract, it might happen they promise him a certain number of games that he will play. It might be 50%. But if, I'm not saying that's what they've said to him, but this makes it even difficult for Kaizer Chiefs because they are in a situation right now Brennan Peterson is in form, and if he continues like this next season also, he might be the best goalkeeper in the league. And that simply means Ulina won't have a chance to be in goals, not unless they share the games, as we saw with calling Black Label knockout. There was Ufia Krentuar. But lana ke into ebuye ingicake futhi ukuthi kulabo goalkeeper abangaka esinabo siyomisa kanjani. And the competition is good because we know very well if there's competition, the players push each other to exceed their limits. Brennan Peterson might be better than he was last season. And that simply means also Ulina will have to make sure he pushes himself so that he gets to see okay, now I'm in a position I have to be better than Brennan Peterson. That thing, it is good for the club because there is nothing as nice as having good players, quality players that you know very well if this one doesn't play, the one that is going to play ahead of him will give you the same input. I'm not saying that Ulina is in the level of Brendan Peterson, but he might go there, especially if he will respond well to the training sessions that they are giving them by the goalkeeper coach. But the one thing I'm concerned about is the game time. Uzoyithola kodwa yena, because now sengikhalela uBruce Ufika Crentwari, uTakalani Mazama, noBuntle Molefe. Kuthi yomisa kanjani? Yabona, when you have nice life problems kumnandi, awu stress, awu panic, you just enjoy having options. Ingakho amantombazana enza lento ayenzayo, because hayi ngoba vele bethanda kodwa kumnandi, kodwa kasekho lapho. Let's move to the second topic. According to Amazulu legend, he said that Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns, it's like they're not interested in signing on Usede Dion because he was the top goal scorer in the league, but nothing is being said about him. There's no attention to his name, but the attention and the spotlight was on Squish, of which I believe, yeah, he deserves that. But manje, will it be a bad idea if Kaizer Chiefs sign Usede Junior Dion? No, I don't think so. The real reason I believe it's why his name is not being talked about a lot, it is because teams like Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs, they have strikers, and he scored 14 goals. Just imagine Leon at Sundowns, he scored 15 goals, but he arrived in January. Just imagine if he starts the season. Orlando Pirates, they have Mahopa, they have Mbutum. They were scoring goals, even though they were wasteful. But there's no demand in strikers in these three clubs. The demand is in the attacking positions, attacking midfielder, wingers. That's why you see that at Sundowns, they've signed Van Veek, they've signed Squish. In Orlando Pirates, they signed Abongwat. So the only position that right now that is not in demand that much in these three clubs is the striking force. Because at Chiefs we have Umayo, we have Silva, we have Ikotaro, we have Upartman, we have Unaledi Hlongwane. What is needed? It's an attacking midfielder. At Chiefs, it's a winger, it's a left back, and a central defensive midfield if we can get one in the market. So we say that Junior Dion, take nothing away from him. What he did was commendable because he scored 14 goals. But that doesn't mean Guti he will be in demand. I believe Guti, if there's a move for him, it will be abroad, not here in South Africa. But it remains to be seen. But for Kaizer Chiefs, I don't think Guti, he is a need. He proved himself that he can score goals. But we have the Kosi flavor, Flavio Silva, hoping Guti is going to replicate what he did in his first season with the Kaizer Chiefs. Hey, Danko.